everybody. Today I want to talk to you about sweater hacks because you know when the holidays are around we always get some great sweaters. First thing I want to show you is how to fold your sweater and put it on a hanger instead of getting shoulder dimples in it and taking up shelf space. So it's the easiest thing you've ever seen. I'm going to take my sweater, I'm going to put the sleeves together just like that. I'm going to lay it down. Then I'm going to take my hanger and I'm going to place it with the hook right in the armpit. Then I'm going to take my sleeves over and tuck them. I'm going to take my hem of the sweater over and tuck it. And there you are. You will never have a wrinkled sweater again. Now let me show you one more time really quick so that you can do this because it's the easiest way to do it. I have all my sweaters hanging like this. So again, we put the sleeves together just like this, so the sweater's in half. We lay it down. We put the hook right in the armpit. We take our sleeve, fold it over and tuck. Then we fold it over and tuck. And then we've got our sweater done. Now, I want to also mention wool sweaters to you. If you are, they have some lovely wool sweaters, they can be really itchy. And I have a trouble with that. And so I have used glycerin in my rinse water. What I do is I take a tablespoon of glycerin. I can find this at drugstores, on Amazon, places like that. Put it in the rinse water, rinse the sweater in, and that stops the itch from the wool. And you will love me for that if you're one of those people that has a problem with that. Cashmere, best laundered by hand in cool water. Use shampoo because what is cashmere? It's hair. And to condition it and make it soft, use hair conditioner, whatever kind you like to use on your hair or any cheap brand you can find. Make sure you never wring cashmere and lay it flat to dry. Now, embellish sweaters, we always want to turn wrong side out. So we're going to just slip them like this. And then always put them into a laundry bag or a delicates bag before you do them if you're doing them in the washing machine. And there's no reason you can't if you have a hand wash cycle on the washing machine. Now, how do we freshen things that are a little smelly or maybe not as fresh as they could be and maybe they are dry clean only? We're going to just turn our sweater wrong side out. We're going to put some vodka, just the cheapest kind you can find, into a spray bottle. We're going to lightly mist the underarms and you're done. Now, I've got a bonus video for you today too. I've got a great way to take a sweater that you have shrunk and make it back to the size you need so you can continue to wear it. Go to queenofclean.com and I'll have that video there so you can watch it and you'll never have a shrunk sweater again, I promise. So guys, check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Real Queen of Clean, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.